Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, English Grade 4, Quarter 1, Lesson 6. Our topic is about friendly letter. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Here are the learning competencies and objectives. Express ideas appropriately, age appropriate, gender responsive, culture sensitive, for one's purpose, context, and target audience. Objectives. Number 1. Differentiate narration from enumeration description patterns. Number 2. Identify the structure and write a friendly letter. Use appropriate nonverbal cues for clarity of context, purpose, and meaning. Number 1. Use facial expressions and gestures when speaking. Here's the contents of this lesson. First, differentiate narration from enumeration description patterns. Second, identify the structure of a friendly letter. Third, write a friendly letter based on a given situation. And fourth, use facial expressions and gestures when speaking. What do you think is the boy doing in the picture? The boy is writing a letter. Let's have an activity before we start the lesson. Match each underlined word in column A with its meaning in column B. Number 1. I hope you are in good condition. The underlined word is condition. The answer is letter B, the state of something with regard to its appearance. Number 2, I like the present you gave me. The underlined word is present. The answer is letter C, a gift from someone. Number 3, I remember the days when you still liked me. The underlined word is remember. The answer, letter A, to recall the mind by an act or effort of memory, to think of again. Let's read a letter. August 22, 2023. Dear Mia, hi, how are you? I hope you are in good condition. I just want you to know that I have a new pet. I named it Magic because I remembered or thought of you when my mom gave it to me as my present. See you soon, Mia. Take care and keep safe. Your friend, Zion. Do you have a friend? How do you get in touch with your friends? Writing a letter. Writing a letter is one way to connect with your friends. Have you experienced writing a letter? Friendly letter. Friendly letter uses the following structure. Number 1, heading. Number 2, greeting. Number 3, body. Number 4, closing. And number 5, signature. Now, let's discuss it one by one. Heading. The heading is in the upper right corner of your letter. It shows the date when the letter was written. Greeting. The greeting is the way you say hello. You can say, "Dear John." Comma is used after the greeting. Body or body of the letter. The body is where you write your message. Closing. The closing states the way you say goodbye. Examples are sincerely, your friend, and yours truly. Signature. The signature is where you sign your name. Letter A, structure of a friendly letter. Instructions, identify the structure of a friendly letter. Let's read. Tuesday, August 22, 2023. Dear Zeus, hello, I hope you're doing great. I want to update you on my situation right now. I am not in good condition. I got sick and was confined in the hospital. The doctor told me that I suffered from pneumonia. Don't worry, they are taking care of me, and I am feeling better now. I hope to see you soon. God bless you, your friend, Heidi. This time, let us identify the structure of this friendly letter. The heading is Tuesday, August 22, 2023. Greeting is Dear Zeus together with a comma. The body of the letter includes this one. Hello, I hope you're doing great. I want to update you on my situation right now. I am not in good condition. I got sick and was confined in the hospital. The doctor told me that I suffered from pneumonia. Don't worry, they are taking care of me, and I am feeling better now. I hope to see you soon. God bless you. This is the closing, your friend, together with a comma. And, of course, the signature, Heidi. What is the purpose of a friendly letter? Here are the purposes of a friendly letter. First, maintain relationships. Keep in touch with friends, family, or acquaintances. Second, share news. Update the recipient on personal life events or experiences. Third, express feelings. Convey emotions such as appreciation, sympathy, or joy. Fourth, offer support. Provide encouragement or comfort during difficult times. And fifth, nurture connections. Strengthen personal bonds and show that you care. B. Writing a friendly letter. Directions: write a friendly letter. Use the space provided. This time, use your notebook to write your friendly letter. Good luck! Let's have a lesson activity. Directions: drag and drop the words from the box to identify the parts of the letter. Here are the choices: heading, body of the letter, greeting, closing, and signature. And this is the letter that you are going to label. Monday, August 21, 2023. Dear Tom, how are you? I hope you're doing fine. I and my mom are coming to visit you in 2 days. I hope to visit the Botanical Garden and Bay Walk. We also plan to swim in your beaches there. I can't wait to see you. Your cousin, Angel. This time, let us label the friendly letter. Monday, August 21, 2023 is the heading. Dear Tom is the greeting. How are you? I hope you're doing fine. I and my mom are coming to visit you in 2 days. I hope to visit the Botanical Garden and Bay Walk. We also plan to swim in your beaches there. I can't wait to see you. This part is the body of the letter. Your cousin together with the comma is the closing. And Angel is the signature. Let's have a formative assessment. Directions: arrange the parts of the letter to form one complete friendly letter. Number 1, yours truly. Number 2, August 30, 2023. Number 3, hi, I heard that you passed your entrance exam in SLU. Congratulations, my friend. Another achievement unlocked for you. I will visit you next month. See you soon. Melanie. Dear Michelle. Let's answer. August 30, 2023 is the heading. Dear Michelle, together with the comma, is the greeting. Hi, I heard that you passed your entrance examination in SLU. Congratulations, my friend. Another achievement unlocked for you. I will visit you next month. See you soon. This is the body of the letter. Yours truly, together with a comma, is closing. And Melanie is the signature. Good job, kids! And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.